Hey you! Yes, you, scrolling through YouTube looking for smart ways to earn online. What if I told you there's a way to make real money from eBay without selling even a single item? No inventory, no packing, no delivery. Still interested? Then stick around because in this video, I'm sharing 5 genuine, practical ways to profit from eBay without being a seller at all. But before we jump in, if you love zero investment online income ideas, then quickly hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications. You won't want to miss what's coming up next on this channel. Let's dive in. Earn as an eBay affiliate. This one is a gem. eBay lets you promote their products through the eBay Partner Network. What you do: grab a link to a product, share it on your blog, YouTube, WhatsApp, or social media. If someone buys using that link, you earn a commission. It's simple, no selling from your side. Just recommend and get paid. It's a great passive income stream if you already have an audience or traffic. Try legit dropshipping. Want to sell on eBay without touching a product? Use dropshipping, but the right way. Here's how. Find a product from a reliable supplier listed on eBay at a markup. When someone buys, your supplier sends the product directly to your customer. You handle no inventory, just manage the listing and customer service. But be careful. Don't use other marketplaces like Amazon as suppliers, or you could get banned. Stick to wholesale suppliers or dedicated dropshipping platforms. Hey, still watching? That means you're serious about building your income online. If you're getting value so far, give this video a quick thumbs up and hit subscribe right now. Your support means the world, and it keeps me making more videos like this for awesome viewers like you. Let's keep going. 3. Become an eBay virtual assistant. Thousands of eBay sellers are looking for help managing their stores. You can work from home doing tasks like writing product descriptions, managing messages, updating listings or photos, handling orders or returns. List your service on freelance sites like Upwork, Fiverr, or People Per Hour, and offer part-time assistance. Virtual assistants can earn $10 to $25 an hour, depending on their experience and skills. Offer coaching or consultation. If you've got the experience, teach others. eBay can be confusing for new sellers. You can provide one-on-one training, create a mini course, or offer consulting sessions on listing optimization, pricing strategies, store setup, shipping tips. You can market your services via YouTube, Instagram, or eBay-focused Facebook groups. Create eBay resource guides. Are you someone who enjoys writing or organizing information? Turn your knowledge into downloadable digital guides like best practices for fast eBay shipping, how to get positive feedback every time. These guides can be sold, on platforms like Gumroad, your blog, or shared for free to grow your email list. Even short PDFs can become evergreen income assets if they solve real problems. Bonus insight. Why these work? These methods succeed because you don't need to handle products. You can start with basic skills. eBay already has millions of users. You just plug into the system. You're offering value, not just selling no tricks, just skills and consistency. Now it's your turn. Which method do you want to try first? Drop a comment. I reply to every single one. And hey, if this video gave you a new idea or just made earning online feel a little more possible, tap that subscribe button and ring the bell so you're always the first to get real, helpful income tips. Thanks for watching. I'm rooting for your success. See you in the next one. Until then, keep growing, keep learning, and keep earning.